Today's Saturday and going to Southern Fun.
Right. Guys, welcome aboard.
We'll get some traffic ahead of us. There he is. I got him. All right, I'm getting excited to take over on the radios if you need to, okay? Yep.
Traffic. All right, you're way far south. 30 degrees to the right. Hard right turn for me. Slowing on the base. Circle the turn in towards the green dot.
Maui Flight Academy is really unique in the world, where we actually allow beginner pilots, people who've never flown before, and also experienced pilots to fly the beautiful islands of Maui and all of Hawaii. So 60% of all fatal accidents in general aviation are due to loss of control. And an angle of attack indicator, which has been used by the military for the last 50 plus years, it will tell you exactly where your angle of attack is and how to fly the aircraft in a very surgical manner. I like to say that when you use an airspeed indicator, you're using a chainsaw for surgery. And when you use an angle of attack indicator, you're using a scalpel. So it's on the NTSB's most wanted list for 2017 and 2018. That is exactly the same way that Navy pilots land on aircraft carriers and Air Force pilots fly. They use something called the blue donut. And the blue donut is right here. Yeah. Right? That is the best endurance speed. Okay. Now, when you fly published speeds in any aircraft, Cirrus or whatever, all the published speeds in the manual are at maximum gross weight. But if you're not at maximum gross weight, you know, it's just the three of you, you got 30 gallons on board, you're landing too fast if you're coming in at 80 knots. Okay? Right. And you'll float and you'll float, or it's a more precise way. So it happens to correspond to a specific angle of attack for the wing to give you the softest landing. Now, the difference between a perfectly smooth greased landing, which we know you've made plenty of, and the difference between that and a pancake landing, which we know we have all done, is just a matter of a couple of degrees, okay? So if you land a blue donut, it's a greaser. If you land a little bit red here, it's gonna be a little harder, but not much.
Check AOA.
Now she's gonna start yelling at you, check your angle of attack. This is all before the stall horns come out. And then finally,
caution, too slow.
So now she's yelling
Check
at you.
AOA. Caution.
That's when you would hear the stall horn. So we should not be hearing the stall horn on landing.
Too slow.
In a perfect world.
Check AOA.
Yeah. We've had over 600 landings on these tires using blue donut landing. So it's a much safer way to fly. The reason people get into trouble with, if you don't have an angle of attack indicator, we always like to say there's two rules of thumb. Never go more than 30 degrees of bank in the traffic pattern, and then always stay coordinated, right? If you do those two things, you'll always be safe. But the question is, can you come in at a high altitude field in the summer and do a precise landing, you know, where you're gonna feel like the airplane's flying faster than it should, right?
Because it is.
Well, exactly. Well, indicated it's not, but true airspeed it is,
true,
right?
Yeah.
But if you're flying angle of attack, every approach is going to be the same. It doesn't matter what it's going to be. But where everybody gets in trouble is when there's, let's say we're landing this direction and there's a crosswind on landing. Our little lizard brains, if we overshoot the runway, we want to pull back on the stick and tighten the left rudder, right? Yeah. This is where everybody gets in trouble, or potentially gets in trouble. And the reason is, this wing, when you kick in left rudder and you go uncoordinated into a skid, this wing is literally moving backwards. And you have a negative angle of attack, no stall warning. Yeah. And unfortunately, every 3 days in America, this is happening. Yep. And so we're trying to get that to stop. And the way we stop is by guys learning how to fly angle of attack and using it to their advantage.
We're flying a G3 GTS. Clear prop.
Ground Cirrus 779 Bravo, East ramp for 2.
Cirrus 779 Bravo, Maui Tower, hold short, runway 2 at Echo.
Make a left U-turn.
18.7.
Hold short 2 at Echo, and now we'll flip to the Bravo.
Bravo, runway 2 at
Can I put that back there,
There we
guys? Thank you.
Clear for takeoff, 2 at Echo, 9 at Bravo. Alright,
All right,
rock and roll.
takeoff. We need about 1,200 feet of runway today.
Yeah.
We'll lose the engine, we'll settle back down. And we're using runway 2.
Runway 2, yep.
So we're going to make
And
a right turn.
right
here.
turn, and then after takeoff, it'll be a left turn. Okay, trim set, flap set, mixer set, we're good to go.
We'll be rotating at 70 and flaps up go at 80 with positive rate.
Okay.
All right, full power. Looking good. Looking for 70. And rotate. A lot of crosswind there.
Yep.
And flaps up. So tell us a little bit about your background, Laurence.
I started Grand Canyon Air Tour Company right out of college, and we got traffic coming up. I think we're gaining on it.
Yeah.
And so I had started with a 172, and when I sold it, we had a fleet of 15 402s and a Metroliner. We moved out here 18 years ago, and so we bought our first Cirrus in 2004, and then I was the first Cirrus owner in Hawaii, and today we have 8 all in the islands, private owners. And then I became a CSIP also in 2004.
That's fantastic.
And yeah, so we've been having a lot of fun. You know, had Mark Baker from AOPA fly with us last year, and we're, you know, every year we get more and more pilots wanting to fly Cirrus, and you know, we have a lot of fun doing it. You know, as a lot of YouTubers know, on my channel, Cirrus Instructor, I really heavily focus on angle of attack, and so, you know, we use that as part of the BFR, and hopefully, you know, they become more and more popular. So
Yeah, yeah.
and a Bravo Halava 1000 to the cliffs. They start at
we're-
1,000 and they go all the way up to
Yeah,
4,400.
we're at 1,000 feet right now, so, right?
Yeehaw!
Yeah, I see his eyes. They're blue. So we have what's the name of the airport here?
This is called Kalapapa. Kalapapa 9 Bravo is going to be Makapu inbound left traffic for 5, touch and go.
All right, so there's the airport.
Yeah,
We're running the boost pump. Was
Yeah,
that,
all the
were-
time,
Were
yeah.
you okay with that?
yeah, all the time. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, we always run it.
Any reason why?
I don't want any vapor lock over the ocean, and then I can't get it started again.
Gotcha.
No.
Especially 1,000 feet.
Yeah.
Low RPMs.
Yeah.
Low power settings.
Yeah.
Kalapapa was it?
Yeah, Kalapapa traffic.
Kalapapa traffic. Cirrus November 779 Lima Bravo entering a left midfield runway 5. Is it going to be touch and go?
Yeah.
Touch and go, Kalapapa. Kalapapa traffic, Cirrus 779 Lima Bravo turning left base runway 5, touch and go, Kalapapa.
So now Cirrus wants guys to put full flaps on the base leg, so that's their new procedure.
Yeah, you want to be ready, configured by...
Exactly.
You know...
Just to give a margin of... Yeah.
Exactly.
Beautiful. Now I do this to every Cirrus pilot to learn angle of attack.
Ah,
yeah.
I like it.
So, by the way, check out those waves. They're about 60 feet tall.
Wow. That's very, very cool.
All right, so looking good. So we want to stay at half blue donut or faster. This is perfect for your final. And looks like winds are about 30 knots from the right. There's a little bit of a wind shift at these black rocks, so just make note of that.
Oh, okay.
And wow, these waves are unbelievable today.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Looking good. Very nice approach.
Clear.
Yep, you're all good.
Kalapapa traffic, Cirrus 779er Lima Bravo is turning final, runway 5, touch and go, Kalapapa.
Amazing waves.
Yep.
So on the takeoff, just try not to get any salt.
Yeah, we'll try to do that.
Very
Look
nice.
at that. Angle of attack. It's interesting.
Yeah. Little wind shift coming in.
Yep. I'm adding a tiny bit of power here.
Wow, those are some huge waves today.
That's unbelievable.
Check AOA. Check AOA. Too slow.
Flaps full power. We can do a climbing left now, where we're going to go to 2,500 feet.
All right.
Molokai, good morning, Cirrus 9 Bravo Peninsula, climbing out of 1,500 for 2,500, transition southbound.
Cirrus 9 Lima Bravo, tower transition approved, altimeter 3004.
Thanks, 9 Bravo.
Visibility 1, 0. Sky conditions broken 2,100. Overcast 2,700.
Lanai traffic, Cirrus 9 Bravo's coming up Cannon Point, 2,500 inbound left traffic for 3. We'll enter on the left base. So we'll just kind of enter on a kind of a mild left base will be just fine.
I will take, left base, so we're just going to enter left base.
Yeah.
I'll set it up like that.
That's
That's how I fly mine.
Fine.
I'm a North Hub kind of guy.
Okay.
Which totally confuses.
You're one of like one in the top 5%.
Well, you know what? That's how the brain works. I don't know.
That's fine.
I like to know where my north is always.
Okay, all right. Very good.
Got a beautiful chance of flying in the Greek islands recently.
Oh, how nice.
I don't know, I put a couple of videos up there on that.
Okay.
It's very nice.
Cool.
But actually the pilot was the vice president of AOPA in Greece.
Oh, beautiful.
So quite the host.
Perfect.
For aviation.
Yeah, no kidding.
I flew with his TB-20.
Is that where you're originally from?
Yeah.
Yep. Perfect. First yellow bar.
Wow, look at that runway.
Winds are direct off the right crosswind.
Yep.
Nice. Welcome to Lanai.
All right, beautiful. Lanai traffic, Cirrus is clear of the active. Lanai.
Right here, perfect.
All right.
Yep,
Got that off.
Yep.
All right, guys, so we'll see you a little later.
And we're actually sitting in the caldera of the volcano, right?
Yes, yeah. If you kind of look, you can see the indents.
Yeah, all the perimeter of it. All these trees are Cook Island pines, aren't they?
Yes, Cook Island pines. If you went up by the other hotel, there is one Norfolk pine over there.
Okay.
Yeah. They were just helped to slow down the rain clouds. They were planted up on top of the mountain to slow down the rain clouds. And so every morning, as the moisture would touch those trees, or it was foggy up there, the moisture would drip onto the forest floor and then eventually percolate into the aquifer to the mountain. And to this day, that's still our only source of water here. So we always ask the visitors, you know, please help us save water. Don't drink our fresh water, drink wine or beer instead.
See the volcano in Hilo, the big island.
Has 10 miles visibility, overcast 4,000, so it's definitely VFR. It's 500 feet above the volcano where the overcast layer is, so it's, I'd say it's a 70-30 chance we'll see the volcano. Is that acceptable odds? Okay. All right. And pictures coming to the eye.
Yep, go ahead.
All right. And
okay, speed is alive. Full power, looking good, looking for 70. There's looking good, cross check. And rotate. And flaps up.
now we're going to go to, we'll try 7,500, maybe 5,500. We'll see where the layer is. That's what I want to check next. HCF Cirrus 779 Lima Bravo.
Number 779 Lima Bravo, go ahead.
Yes, sir, just off Lanai, VFR climbing out of 2,600 for 7,500 Hilo.
Cirrus 779 Lima Bravo, squawk 1717, the Honolulu altimeter 2998.
1717 out of Bravo.
So we're flying VFR 7,500 feet now, Laurence, right? And then
yes, sir.
what we're going to do, we're actually going to fly over the volcano, or over the island there, big island, at 7,500 feet. It looks like we can make it above that cloud deck over there. And then we're going to shoot the approach, the ILS, into Hilo. And do that, take care of that. So we're going to brief that real quick.
Hilo, Cirrus 779 Lima Bravo.
Cirrus 779 Lima Bravo, Hilo approach. Good afternoon, stay request.
Yes, ma'am, we are 25 miles to the west, 9,800 VFR. We'd like pop-up ILS, please.
And Cirrus 9 Tower, Lima Bravo, have your request block 1417 and verify information Oscar and say again altitude.
1417, and yes, we have Oscar, and we're at 10,000 for 9 Lima Bravo.
Cirrus 9 Lima Bravo, roger. Lima Bravo, you're cleared to the Hilo Airport via radar vectors, fly heading 065, maintain 8,100, vectors via left runway 26. Cirrus 9 Lima Bravo, just going to maintain 1,800.
1,800, 900 Lima Bravo. Like we're breaking out at 4,900.
As soon as we get below this stuff, we'll cancel. Actually, 9 Bravo, we'd like to go ahead and cancel now. We're VFR. We're going to attempt the vent.
Cirrus 9 Lima Bravo, IFR cancellation received. Maintain VFR. Proceed southbound.
Thanks, 9 Bravo. See you on the way back. All right, so ideally, let's stay at 35.
All right.
And if we can make...
We'll wing it.
We have a call sign out here that the helicopters gave us. It's called Silent Lima. Silent Lima's 3,000 Pahoa coastline heading toward the vent. How's it looking now? Anybody out there?
Vent's still shut down. Got about 500-foot ceiling as soon as you get about halfway up the tube.
Got it. All right. Well, we'll go see a volcano field then.
Yeah, it's very misty up there.
Yep. Well, we'll stay VFR nice and in the clear, but we'll get as close as we can to see all the lava that we can see. Everybody's got the same idea.
Oh yeah. Look at them. All lining up. Got traffic there, we got traffic there.
Got him. I would just follow this guy.
Yeah,
around.
we'll follow him.
All right, here's some of the lava fields down here.
Oh wow, cool.
Yeah,
That's
see
cool.
all this the smoke coming off the ground? That's the
yeah.
lava. All right, tell you what, let's break off, head over there. And Silent Lima's going to break off, trailing Safari. We're going to head out towards the vent area. We're at about 2,700.
Now, get Star 3 coming up off Evo to nowhere. We're at 2,370. Put a poly. We're long to good.
All right, let's cut in a little bit more. Let's get there before these guys do. Yeah, this is all active lava flowing.
And I bet at night is all red.
Yes. All right, head over, right over where the burning trees are.
Oh, there's a forest burning here. Wow, there's a fire here.
Yeah,
Traffic, 11 o'clock, low, less than a mile.
We're at 2,300.
Traffic, 9 o'clock, low, less than a mile.
Wow. Look at that, man. That is just unreal. So we're just heading north.
Yeah, we're going to head towards just the coastline, and then we'll take the coastline up, just wherever we can stay VFR, and then we'll head towards the north side of the island. By the way, Charles Lindbergh, this is the Lindbergh GPS intersection.
Oh, wow.
He's buried right over there.
No kidding.
Yeah. That's kind of a neat thing.
That is neat.
He said it was the most beautiful place on the planet.
And, you know, you could be right.
It could be. We could do runway two ways. We could do a real funky right base, or we could go all the way around and do the left down one, whatever you want. So the funky right base is a up-sloping terrain. So it's going to look like you're lower than you are. It's going to make you want to go higher than you normally are. It's just an illusion. but it's a fun challenge, so go for it.
Let's do it.
All right,
why not?
All right, so just kind of hug the coastline, or hug the mountainside.
So
these tree lines.
All right, landing light on. Yep. Brakes are good. We want to go full reach, most likely.
Sure. The field's right there. Do you see it?
Oh yeah, I got it.
Okay,
yeah,
very good. I would go flaps out here.
All right. One natural flaps.
Good. One yellow bar's in.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. It's an illusion, right? Because you know you're going down, but it looks like you need to go up.
Right.
Yeah.
Hana Bravo on the 1 mile right base, Hana.
Hana traffic, 900 Lima Bravo, final runway 8, full stop. Hana.
I would chop the power air, drop her in. There you go. There's your blue donut. All right, welcome to Hana, Hawaii, on Maui, Hawaii.
Look at that wave crashing over there. How amazing is that, man?
That's awesome.
All
right, yep, flaps are up. We're good.
All right, we'll do a U-turn here.
Sure.
Hana traffic, 900 Lima Bravo Cirrus is back taxiing runway 8 to the FBO, Hana.
We'll take a little quick break, take some photos.
Yeah. All right, we're ready to go.
Yes, sir.
Hana traffic, Cirrus 779er Lima Bravo is taking runway 8, departure to the southwest, Hana.
All right, so here comes the cliffs.
Yeehaw! Yeah, baby.
Beautiful. Flaps are coming in. Just roll it to Fox.
Yep. That was awesome, man.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Incredible.
It was so much fun to fly with you. I'll take it from here. I got it.
All right, your controls.
My controls.
Your controls. That was amazing. The highlight of the trip.
Oh, absolutely.
Right?
100%.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
It was the highlight of the trip when I went to Greece, and I did this with my friend Kip. And this was the highlight of this trip too.
Awesome.
Islands there, islands here.
Sure.
Just amazing.
I think we just fell in love with the Hawaiian Islands.
Dada, what was his full name?
Kyprianos was his full name, which is very rare.
What does it mean?
Means a guy from Cyprus. That's what it means.
Oh, Kyprianos.
Hey Kip, word.